Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is we do have a color of the week. This one, like last week, is another color that was picked by y'all on Facebook. And this is a really pretty like golden fall color. I love it and it's going to match so much. It comes in the normal 10 sheets and there, as always, will be a buy all bundle. I love pulling one or two or sometimes even three of these in if they match a kit and using those for the week for my doodles. This week we do have 3 new additions to the pop culture sheets. I just wanted to bring this one out. I was going to release all of them last week, but I totally forgot. So this one here is Katie, and then we also have Regina, and then we have Karen, and then we also have Gretchen. So it's like a kind of a little complete set, but they all kind of have also different emotions. This one has a side eye, this one's happy, this one's kind of like sad, and then she just kind of looks content. And I love her little pink polo. But I thought those would be cute additions there as well. And we also just did come out with a Mean Girls set. Then I do have some foil items this week. That's why we're not doing any new characters this week, like the Scribblers. So I have some Halloween foil, and I was going to do a bundle, but I thought it'd be fun for this year. Maybe next year I'll do a bundle to do something that is a little bit like it's just more a la carte, kind of more customizable. So I do have for Halloween some bottom washi overlays, some full box overlays, and then some header overlays. And I feel like these are really nice because you can pair them with a lot of foil bundles or like a la carte items that you have already to either, you can make it a full spread, or if you want to just pull in the headers, you could use other elements in here. There is stars, there is confetti, there's bats, little skulls, pumpkins, coffins, all kinds of cute little elements, and it will come in all of the 5 core foils. So you have gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. So again, I think this would be great if you wanted just to pull in the headers and then maybe do stars for the rest of the spread, or pull in the headers and do confetti, or you can make it like a full-blown Halloween spread and pull in the rest of these items. Then there is also full box overlays. I also tried to keep them kind of more minimal. So you have the 2 corner, 2 corner, 4 corner, and then this is great if you want to pick up 2 and do a double box moment. Adorable. So this will again come in all 5 foil colors. Again, you have all the different elements in here along with stars and confetti. And then last but not least, you also have the 15mm strip. Again, I feel like you could totally either use these together, split them up, maybe do this one and then do like a confetti on the bottom or stars on the bottom, and then use some full box overlays and then do star headers. You can really customize what you're going to do with this, or you could maybe switch this one out and do this one with bows, or if you find some that have bats or something like that. So you have this 15mm strip, which kind of has like a graveyard with the bats, and then down here you have the like kind of confetti pattern, again in all 5 foils. Along with that, for the next couple of weeks, I think actually starting with last week's orders, I'm going to be putting in these super cute little like packs. So I'll show you an example. So I'm going to have 5 sheets in one little pack, and it'll be like a freebie for your order. So there are 3 different designs that you can get. So this one here is the spider. So this one has the spider and the webs, and then it has, I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 header overlays on there. Then there's also this one here, which is the bats with the like graveyard and the tree. And then you have these headers, which are so cute. So you have the bats with the cemetery really small, and then you can peel it up and it is kind of on the bottom, and then the other one's opposite. And then the last design is going to be the ghost. So it just has a little ghost here, and then it has the same pattern as these headers here. I thought that was super cute. So in the freebie itself, you'll get the 5 different foils. So it's going to be fun to collect them all over the next couple of weeks. There are 3 different styles, so you might get multiples, but I think that those are easy to pull into your Halloween spreads. So those will be the freebies going out with orders. You'll get 1 design in the 5 foils. Then for the foil bundle this week, I'm very excited. This is the last of the mixed metal that I have currently for the shimmer. I just placed an order to restock the golden champagne lights because that sold out so fast. I wasn't going to restock it. at least not right now, but I just feel like it is really a staple and I love it. And then I also ordered another mixed metal, so that's exciting, but those won't be in for probably like 3 months. So this one here is Champagne Lights and Sparkly Hollow, which is always a favorite when it's together. And this is again in the shimmer format. It's so beautiful. Another one that you need at least 5 of them. I for sure, when I go to work next, am gonna grab at least 5 of them. They are so pretty. You have the bougie boxes in the shimmer pattern. You have the mini icons and the scripts, the new version. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Like, I literally cannot. This is just everything. Look at it with the light. It's so beautiful. Let me show you the bougies with the light. Look at that. It's everything. Sorry if you can hear cars in the background, but I am obsessed. Again, it's another one. Actually, honestly, all of the mixed metals I brought home extras of. Okay, so let's go ahead into the kits for this week. I do have one exclusive art, so I was requested to do another back to school art. So let's go ahead and go through this one. So this one has like a really fun colorway. I love yellow in kits. I don't know what it is. I'm not like a big yellow person on the regular, but I just think it's such a fun color. So you have the full boxes here. You have 8 of them. There's a mix of like flat lays and regular boxes. Again, this colorway is just so fun. You have another flat lay double box here. The patterned boxes. I've been obsessed with this page recently, especially like these 2 newer sizes. Then there is the little things page, the solid labels, the pattern labels, and then the bottom washi with the extra box. And then there is also 2 extra boxes here. So there is so many boxes in this kit, but I think it gives you all of the possibilities. And I also saw Adorably Amy Designs, shout out girl, has the cutest like grade stickers coming out. Check out her. Okay, I think the commotion outside is done. Hopefully. I feel like it's the only one I filmed. This kit also comes in a mini kit, and let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options. There's the doodle add-on, there is the functional add-on, there's the ombre add-on label, the extra color if you want to add that on. I love this mint color. And then there is fam options with the kiddo. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is school days, and it is exclusive art. Let's move on into the fall kit. It's kind of cool. We have a school, a fall, and then a Halloween. So this one here is called Hello Pumpkin. It also comes in a mini kit. Let's go ahead and crack her open. This is, I think all of these this week have such fun color palettes. So this one here has your 2 fashion options, the double box scene, and then a lot of really cute elements. I love the candle and the cupcakes, the painting, the cookies. You know I love me some food boxes. Again, these colors are so fun. I think this would look so pretty with silver or copper. Oof. If you have any of the bonfire leaves foil bundle, I think that'd be so pretty with this. It is currently sold out though, but it is just so adorable. Or any orange. I know Hannah has a pumpkin color that'd be really pretty with this as well. And then you have the extra box here in the mini and the ultimate. Again, all of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini. Let me show you the add-on options. You have the doodle if you want to add it on, the functional, the ombre, the label, the extra color, which is brown, and then the fashion option if you want to add that on. And then last but not least, another color palette. I'm just obsessed. Colors this week are killing it. So this one is Spooky Party, and I went with the like more bright color palette. I love the green and the purple and the pink all mixed together. It is so fun. It does have that black faux sparkle throughout, which is just so fun with the brighter colors. So that is the full boxes page, the deco page, the extra boxes. These are so pretty. I personally would use a black foil with this, like a sparkly black or the black with like those squares in it. I think that'd be everything. Also, there's this one, I might have already put it away, but it's in Star, and let me see if I can pull it out. It's on discount, I think, to $5. And whenever I was filling orders, somebody ordered it pretty early on, and I was like, oh my goodness, I forgot this existed. I totally need this, more of this in my life. Let me see. It has like hollow sequins in it. I think this would look really cool with this, with the stars. So stinking cute. So you have the glitter header page with the extra boxes, half boxes, little things, solid labels, pattern labels, and then I love this bottom washi combo. There is like a light pattern in the bottom washi, and then you have the plaid with the solid color headers. This would be perfect for a quote box, and then the freebie in the Ultimate and Mini is an additional double box scene. This is a kitchen. The freebie is the living room. I think this is so stinking cute. If you didn't want to do a black foil, you could do a hollow, you could do a sparkly hollow, you could do a silver, you could bring in one of the, or two or three of the fun colors. I think that would be cool as well, even if it's just in the underlays. Also comes in a mini kit, and then the add-on options, you have the doodles, the functional, the ombre, the label 2, which is this gorgeous pink color, and then there is 2 fashion options. This is fashion option 1 and fashion option 2. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. We're definitely getting into the spooky season. Don't forget about the fun freebies that are going to be going out in orders. Like I said, you will get one design in the 5 different foils in your order, and the design itself will be random, but I thought that'd be kind of fun for the time of year. Also, don't forget the foil bundle is on a special price point for the first, well, until Monday, and then the color of the week is available until Monday as well. So that, my friends, is everything, and I will talk to y'all in my next one.